Hello guys, in this video I am going to tell you that how can you add any particular number to this column, or you can take assign any specific function to this column. So let's just start. And so to doing that, first select the column and right click on it. There is one option, set column values. You can click on Control Q directly to go there, and this window will open. So you have to select first the column on which column you want to perform the action. So click on column B. I want to add, for example, 5 to this column, so 5 will be added to all the values. Click on apply, and here you can see all the values are added with 5. There are a lot more options are here. So for example, function, and so when you click on the function, a lot of a very big list is coming here. For example, in engineering you want to convert the binary to decimal and decimal to binary, and similarly in distribution. So in statistics, a lot more options are here. You want to calculate the mean, maximum, mean, radiation, like standard deviation and other things. So now for example, I'm going to math, and then I'm selecting the for example, exponential. So when we click on the exponential, first delete the previous one. So this is the exponential function, and now select the column. So on column B I want to perform the exponential function. So click on apply, then whole values will be converted and the column values will be given. Okay. So here you can see the exponential of all the previous values are given here. So now you can plot it in different way. Okay, so you can see the exponential function is coming here. So thanks for watching.